Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about the AirPods Max, and this has become one of my favorite pair of headphones. I can't even find my AirPods Pro anymore. I stopped using my AirPods Pro the day I picked these up, and I haven't been able to find them since. They're completely dead, so the Find My doesn't even work anymore. No clue where they went. But that just goes to show how much I've been using these headphones. I use these things every day when I'm watching YouTube on my Mac, when I'm editing on my Mac, my iPad, time to time with my iPhone. And for a pair of headphones that have been out for a few years, they work surprisingly well with all the new devices. They connect to everything, just switching back and forth. All that kind of stuff works perfectly fine on these. It actually works really, really well. I was kind of surprised because I figured these would be a little bit older technology, and the newer stuff, I knew they would work obviously, but just surprised how well they work is basically what I'm saying. They sound great, they get nice and loud, they have good audio quality, they detect right when you put them on your head, they turn on right when you start wearing them. Only gripe I have about them is that they're still Lightning, which obviously that's because they came out when Lightning was everything. There was no USB-C on Apple products back when these were first introduced. So they do need to be updated in that sense, but there's really not much that I would change about these headphones other than just updating the chips inside for what the newer AirPods have, stuff like that. Update the port. I'm not having any of the issues that some people were having with the condensation inside the ear cups. Nothing whatsoever. So that is not an issue on mine for me. The battery life on these things is excellent. I can use these just throughout the day, on and off, and I usually charge them about once a week. I can get a little bit better battery life if I put them in the case. I don't usually put them in the case when I'm not using them. I just leave them sitting like this on my desk or on my bed or whatever. I'm not, I don't really have a need to put them in the smart case, which puts them in a deeper sleep. They will go to sleep when they're like this, when they're not moved or put on or anything like that, but it does take a little bit longer than if you just put them directly into the smart case. So they're kind of in a low power state, and when they're in the smart case, they're in a even lower power state. So you do save a little bit of battery life like that. But I usually, like I said, just leave them like this and I just pop them on and they're ready to go. So this is unfortunately the last thing I have that uses Lightning. Everything else, all my other Apple products are USB-C. My iPhone's USB-C, iPad USB-C. Apple Watch has its own charger, but that's different story. So that's really all I want, is these to be USB-C, or maybe have some kind of wireless charging capability. So you can put them down on a wireless charger, and it's kind of hard because the battery is in the ear cups and stuff like that. So it's probably not something that will happen, but just a USB-C update would be nice. But these in 2024, if Apple's not going to update them anytime soon, I do think they're still worth the money. They are quite expensive, about $500. Actually, no, I think they're about $400 now. Let me check on that. But still worth the price in my opinion. Let's see. Checking the Apple website, they are $549. You can get them on sale for, I think I got these on sale for about $400 though. They're like $399 on sale. So watch out for a sale. They're definitely worth it when they go on sale. It'll suck if they get updated here in the next couple months, but I really haven't heard too many rumors about anything AirPods Max wise, so I still think you're pretty safe to upgrade here, at least for the next few months, before we see anything major introduced. But those are my AirPods Max in 2024. Like I said, easily have become my most used and my favorite pair of headphones that I've used this far in quite a while. I still do like the AirPods, the regular AirPods, for just to throw them in your ear on the go kind of headphone. I wouldn't really use these out and about, but like I said, at my desk or watching YouTube or whatever the case may be, these are absolutely excellent for that. Noise cancellation, very, very nice. The AirPods Pro have really good noise cancellation as well, but these, just being over your ear, I think it's just a little bit better. But I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.